So you know what is coding, what is computer science?
I know about coding, not computer science.
Okay. So about coding, if I ask, have you done something on Scratch or Blockly or any other thingy? Were you familiar with Scratch before you joined this course?
I just know that coding is you make games, but I don't know anything else.
Not only games, we can make different things, different applications that run on your mobile devices or on any gadget, any software that runs on the laptop or on computer. Everything we code, we call it as a program. Okay, actually, when we are on higher levels, when we are actually creating some applications, games or softwares, we write code, like we write sentences. Okay, it is near to our English language, but technically different. Like we use very difficult things in that writing thing, right? But here in Scratch, we are not going to write anything. Okay. So I will let you know that what we are going to do in Scratch. So let's start our class. So basically, Scratch is about programming, but using blocks. Okay. So Ans and Jamil, can you see something here on my screen? There is an image.
Yeah, Scratch, when clicked, move 200 moves, say hi.
Yeah, these are the blocks, right? These orange, blue, violet, and then the light orange color, and there is another inner block. These are the blocks which are given in Scratch, and we have to drag and drop them in our working space so that we can create some program. There are few things that we have to reinforce from our mathematics. Okay, let me first show you how we actually code in Scratch. I'm going screen with you. Just hold on. Okay, basically here you must be seeing something on my screen that is different from the image, right? These are some projects, or you can say some code which you can make by using Scratch, right? So basically, we can make videos, we can make games, we can make the dance parties like this. By using Scratch, the juniors like us, we can learn how to code. Okay, we understand the basic concept of coding. There will be some different things also, including events. Basically, in Scratch, we can make games like Super Mario. So we can make the games very similar to Super Mario, in which we have to press any key from the keyboard and the character has to do something. Jump, get down, move faster, get something up, like the trigger thingy, right? And also we can make our animations, like we can make the characters of our name, and they can dance, they can do anything, they can revolve, and also we can make stories. If there is a story in our mind, we can make video of that using Scratch. This is a sample project. Let me run it. Look, what you can see in this project. This has been made on Scratch.
Yeah, I see it. Somebody is dancing and moving.
Yes, somebody is dancing and moving, but there is, no background music, right? But you can put the background music also. So there are many other examples that we can see. Yeah, this is actually the Scratch working space where we can code. We can make games, we can make videos, animations, dance videos, anything, right?